How we doing, YouTube? Thomas Tomology. I don't know if y'all seen the review I did of this AIXPI floodlight security light, right? This one here takes batteries in this one. I really did like this, and I mean, I rate pretty good. And I'll leave links to this one and this set here that I have down below. So go ahead and check it out. Don't forget, while you're down below, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button as well. Leave a comment. Tell me if you know what you think of these as I show them. It'll help me out. It's not really for the algorithm. It's to help me and let me know what y'all think of these videos or how I'm presenting some of these reviews here. But anyways, this one was really nice. I really liked it. The movement of a lot of these the lights, where you can just do pretty much whatever you want. So the only drawback is it does take 3D batteries, and when your batteries are dead, they're dead, right? So since I really did like it, I went back with the same brand. So I went back with the AIXPI, and I was just looking around. Right now, these are $49 with a $10 off coupon as of February 20th or 21st, February 21st, 2025. So if there's not a $10 off, then go ahead and just, unless you just need it right then and there, go ahead and just wait like a week or so. And I imagine every other week or so, a lot of these companies, they'll drop that $10 off on it. So anyways, so we're gonna open it up what comes in the box. So far we got our little mounting brackets. And this pack here actually has 2 of these lights. Sorry for the studio right now, or my bedroom. I am moving. I'm moving into a house, so I'm going to be having my own actually studio, which is going to be awesome. Or for my bigger items, I have a whole garage, so I'm going to have a couple of studio spots on there. It's going to be really nice. I'm excited. We move in about 4 weeks. So anyways, so here's one of them. Again, they are solar power. They literally look identical to the battery operated one. Let me get this way here. So they look pretty identical, right? Pretty right on point. Besides, if you're noticing, you're not seeing that big old base in the back, because this base right here is where the batteries and stuff plug into. So this one here, of course, when you mount it, it mounts like this right here, and this snaps in just like the other one did that I showed in the other video. And then that mounts right there. Very light. I do like how much lighter it is compared to the battery operated one. And hopefully the batteries in here last a long time. Like, obviously it's not a battery where you got to change them out once a month. I'm just hoping that the rechargeable battery lasts for a couple of years for these. But anyways, so you mount it up there again, just like those right there, I believe. Yep. So these can articulate any different direction that you want them to go. So these, I opted in for black. I had white on this one here. I opted in for black on this one, because the house that I'm moving into, the trim and everything is a black color on my trim. So it's really gray whitewash on the brick and then black trim. So it looks really good. So these are gonna go in my backyard. See, my front yard don't get much sun, so the solar power ain't gonna really help me in the front. So the battery operated one, I'm still gonna use at my front door. So anyways, so while these are up on the wall, of course, you're going to direct your light downward. Now you have a little extra pivot point for your solar panel right here. Get a little closer to the camera here so you can see that. So you got a little bit of pivot point, and then of course you got your down here at the bottom. Which of course this would be a lot easier as soon as it's mounted up, and then you can really move it around. But the motion sense here at the bottom, if I get my hand on there, it also moves multiple places. So when I bought this on Amazon, I of course, just like me doing reviews, I like to read other people's reviews as well. Amazon, we got to worry about people buying stuff or getting stuff sent to them for a 5-star review. We got Amazon Vine, and they leave a lot of 5-star reviews just to give it to them, so they continue to stay Amazon Vine. I'm here to be honest, right? But he was talking about the solar panel not being able to move. And I mean, mine moves, right? It all depends on what angle you're trying to get on your wall for your lights, of how much you have. So saying that, I already did a review for Amazon for these as well. If they would have made this bar just a little bit longer, right? And had to kind of horse you in a little bit, then we would have had a little bit more fluctuation with that. But other than that, I don't think that there's going to be a problem with that. We'll see once I get it all hooked up. But again, you get this in here, you get the mounting bracket, you get the little mounting screws. Oh man, I got a nose itch. It's like every time I go to record, man, my nose starts itching. And I mean, I shave every day. Come on now. You know, I shave. What else? Anyways, so here's a secondary one. So we got, like I said, a 2-pack. Another little mounting. And then, of course, you know, you get 2 of these quick release mounting points. Mount them. And then you get a manual. And then a box that they probably could have used a little extra glue on, because it's coming apart right here, but no biggie. It's just the box. Like again, I mean, they're cheap. So like I was saying, a 2-pack is $50, so $25 a light. And then of course, if you get that $10 off, then it comes up to $43 with tax. So that's, you know, $21 and some change per light, which to me, for a little bit of extra safety, to make sure any animals coming in your yard, anybody coming towards your backyard, front door, wherever you put these at, that safety right there is going to be awesome, right? So to have that type of safety for me and my family, I like that. I like to be protected. Just same thing right here. If you notice, I have a camera sitting right there. So I have cameras, probably like 5 of these inside the house. I got like 4 of them outside the house. Or my apartment right now. So once I get to the house, I'm going to buy like 4 more. You know, I got to make sure that I'm protected. And I like to get, like, for instance, like me in my backyard, I'm going to put, I'm going to get these are Wise. They're made by Wise. No sponsorship with them. None of this is sponsored whatsoever. I mean, sponsored by my wife and I. That's it. But I want to get their wireless ones. And what I want to do is, I have a pretty big backyard. But in the back of my yard, it backs up to like a creek field kind of, and everyone's back fence has actually gates that come in them. Like I can go all the way around, pull a car if I want to in my backyard. That's how big my gate is in the back, or 4-wheeler, whatever I want to do. I don't have to just go through the front or through the small gate in the front, which is really going to be really nice. But I want to put one in each corner because I want to have access to see anybody coming in my place at all times. So these right here, you know, and again, if it's as bright as that one, we're going to find out here in a little bit, because like I said, I'm going to shut my mouth here in a minute, and then it's the AM right now, and then tonight I'll go out there and I'll record, and then I'll come back and give my final probably tomorrow. But so I'll be in a different shirt, of course, you know, it'll be tomorrow. But go ahead and get that. If these are bright enough, what I like to do is get 2 more of these, because I want to have one set up in each corner of my backyard, plus the 2 at my front, and have it all done, and then those cameras sitting there. But if I have cameras and lights, everything all set up, maybe for one, it's going to deter them. It's going to get them out of my yard, get them away from my house. Somebody comes into your yard and breaking into something. You have your footages. These lights, they light up. Again, if it's anything like this one out here, this one's really bright. If you all seen my other video on that. If not, go ahead and check it out. Go check out my other videos too on my channel. I mean, I think that I bring some very good, honest reviews. Hey, I might not have a movie studio, and I might not give movie production type reviews, but man, I give some good reviews, I believe. I do. But we all are our own best fan and criticizer. I'm going to get this all hooked up. I mean, I really do. On the back is a button. You click the button. I don't know if y'all just seen that. And they do work. So if I put over my arm over I know my camera, that's why I'm trying to move it away from the camera. I mean, and I have my lights on in here, and you can still see it lighting up. Make my autofocus go crazy over there. But yeah, they're nice. So again, to have 2 of these for just $15 more than one battery operated plus a solar panel or solar power, that's just insane. But anyways, let me go ahead and wait for it to get dark time outside. Go ahead and hook these up, see what it all looks like, and come back with my final thoughts and see if this is really worth your hard-earned money, and is this going to be something that's going to keep you safe here in 2025. All right, so now it's nighttime. I'm outside. It's a little chilly out here. I'm going to give it a sec because I walked in front of my door, so the light went off. So I'm actually gonna wait just a minute. We got these lights out here, but the thing is at my front door I have to disconnect my my patio light. If not, it interferes with my security cameras. All right, so now let's go this way. So right now it's dark over here because, like I said, I have my little light, like this light right here. I have mine right there unplugged for right now. I don't know if y'all. Whoop, there it goes. It picked me up way back here. Is where it picked me up. And I mean, look at this thing. This thing is bright. This is so much brighter than the battery operated one. That is insane. I'm not even going to probably do another video, or excuse me, I'm not going to probably do an outro on this video. I think this is going to be it. This is worth your hard-earned money right here in 2025, 100%. This is worth your hard-earned money. Y'all just need to get some. That's all I can say. Again, non-sponsored. I'll go ahead and leave affiliate links down below. My doorbell thing keeps going off saying, hi, you're being recorded. So let me walk back this way. But yeah, I'll leave affiliate links down below. I'll leave the one for the battery operated in case you want the battery operated one. But I'm going to say get these right here, especially if you have any type of sun near you. Now, if you don't have sun that's coming down on you, then the battery operated one. But like I said, this one here is like double the brightness. I don't know what it is, and it stays on for a minute too. There it goes, it went off. So here we go, we're gonna walk again, and bam, it hits me. So yeah, 100% get you one of these on Thomas with Tomology. Go ahead, up in one of these corners, I have another video. See if one of these is worth your hard-earned money here in 2025.